The model has made it onto the set. As the year 2024 fast approaches, wow, let's try this again. Wait, Naman, that right? 2023 fast approaches. It's time to reflect on 22. See, I'm cold, but I'm not that cold. In order to cultivate healthy self-care practices. So key for the new year. Here to tell us about some ways we can do this, owner of True Self Center of Being, Elizabeth Goffe. Good morning.
Good morning.
Smile.
Thank you.
You look very well centered this morning, so you can really share some tips. And you're going to be imparting a technique for us this morning as well.
Sure, yes.
First, though, let's clear up this buzz phrase of self-care that everybody is talking about. That, you know, to my mind, people think if I go to the gym once a week, or if I get my nails done once a week, or once a month if I get a massage, that's self-care. No. Isn't self-care a lifestyle?
Wow,
Consistent
interesting.
set of practices.
Self-care is what you're able to manage at any given time. So if you find that throughout a year you're stressed, but you do one massage a month, hey, that's a practice, that's consistency, that's a routine. You know, drinking water in the morning, drinking your tea, maybe you say your prayers at night. Everyone will have their different form of how they're taking care of themselves. Mm-hmm. Consistency is ideal and a routine and something that you can rely on. But we work with what people can manage at any given time because it varies.
Yeah, and it's more important. Well, I was going to say more important now than ever, but maybe it's because we're talking about it so much. But isn't it inherent human nature to take care of other people and not take care of yourself?
That happens quite a lot, yes. That happens a lot for many of us, which is great. We want to focus on others, but if we are not able to nourish and replenish ourselves, then we're at a lack.
Is it difficult for you?